Welcome, guys! You'll learn these two text effects in this video, so stay with me till the end of this video. Hope you enjoy! Alright, first create your comp and name it what you want. Then choose the type tool and write what you want. Choose the text and auto-trace it. Now press U and delete the keyframes. Search free plugin Saber from Effects and Presets. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the link in description. Take it and drop to the auto-trace text. Change the core type to layer masks. Here we have several modes. I'll go with Proton. Let's increase intensity to 90%. Spread to 0.15. Bias 0.30 and core size to 1.50. And also evolution to 90 degree. Okay, now at 5 seconds, create keyframe for start size and set it to 0%. Then create keyframe for start offset at 4 seconds and change it to 100% at 0 second. Let's preview. Change the end size to 0%. Create a keyframe to end offset at 4 seconds. Let's preview. Okay, open Flickr and change the intensity to 60% and change speed to 20 and check the mask randomization. You can also change the glow intensity. Check the motion blur and be sure to enable it. Here we have first effect. For the second effect, let's hide previous one. Now you have to duplicate your text by Control-D. Then search for CC Radial Fast Blur. Drag it to the first one. Now change the amount. And also you can change the center wherever you want. Then change the first text's color. I'll go by red. Replace the first one like this that can show it as a shadow. That's it.